We are going to Oxford.
Coach L.
Turn left toward Catter Street.
Okay.
Behind me here is the church. Filming the church. Turn it.
Use your accent. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Bodleian Library. They've lost all hope.
Gyoza ramen.
मामी मामा को प्रणाम।
You have your card, Savni?
Oh, I have a bus pass.
Okay. We are going to Oxford today. आ गई है, यही है। ये 8A है। हम लोग ट्रेन स्टेशन आ गए हैं। He was just waiting for my video to start. We made it. तो खाली ही नहीं गए।
Sorry, yeah, sure.
First class at the very rear. One in coach L. These are all very clearly labelled and they all need to be kept.
हम लोग first class
Just
वाली
to say, I'm ready. We don't take a moment of your time. Please have a look at the safety information which is provided for you on buses throughout this train. If you have a base 61016 or if you're in the seat, no refreshments are available.
Hello. Yeah, I mean, I personally.
We are looking for this library. बहुत ज़्यादा like famous है. Look at this gate.
When we get home, we should take a picture of you in front of our house though.
Why?
Because you love the doors so much.
Okay.
Hi.
It's on you.
I know.
खींच लो.
Why me?
You have an accent. You have an
So?
accent. Use it. Use your accent. Ow, shit.
Back.
Give it to me. Go ask. Go ask. Use your accent, Savni.
Who do I ask?
I don't know. Someone.
Someone. Everyone is lost. They've lost all hope.
And click my picture on the yellow car with the yellow bottle.
Don't lean on it because it might
Mama,
go
don't
off.
lean on
It might go off.
Picture नहीं है नहीं.
नहीं.
Turn left toward Catter Street.
Wi-Fi. Or do you use it while coming back from school?
मेरे फोन में चार्ज नहीं है, ना मेरे पावर बैंक में चार्ज है, और नेट सिर्फ मेरे फोन में है.
The church is free for the class.
हम चर्च आए हैं.
Filming the church. Turn
Yeah.
it so they can see the church. Up there. Oh, okay.
ओह. एक बाइट दे.
If you go to like congregations and like clubs and stuff, some people can give you charges.
But we can't ना. ऑक्सफोर्ड में थोड़ी क्लब्स होंगे.
Not like party clubs.
Oh.
Like book clubs or something. Look how big my hat is. It's a humongous hat. It looks like a duck. Behind me here is the church. Behind me over this side is the tower.
चलो कहाँ है पता करो ना.
And we tried to look for the library, but we can't find it.
Radcliffe
In
Square.
front of me here is a pretty building that I don't know what it is. And my hat still looks like a duck.
आप दे ही जा रहे हो मम्मा, खाई भी जा रही हूँ मैं.
And here we see her in her natural habitat, eating. And my hat still looks like a duck. Oh, good look, it's the hotel over there. Look, where the bus is passing, that's the hotel.
Written there, sir.
Hey, wait.
यार क्या बात है.
And now it's me again. It's the Old Bank Hotel.
You have shown that already, सबने. Hi, memory.
Look at all these posters. Okay. Can you do a cartwheel?
No. I can try.
Okay.
I don't mind trying a cartwheel. ये देखो बदतमीज को देखो. यहाँ के इतने पिजन बदतमीज हैं. Because they will fly right across your face.
One flew here on Sagittarius Street.
Yeah. And they don't move also when they see that you're coming towards them or you're crossing.
Yeah, but that's therefore.
We are at
the Western Library to get tickets for the क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Bodleian Library and get a C-type charger because someone forgot to charge their power bank or their phone.
There's no way for us to go.
a place where
Yeah.
people work. That is the reason. I'm so sorry, but in the meantime, there are other places. They are all here for you.
Okay. Thank you.
And I hope you'll find something that
Yeah.
that can make up for that.
Thank you.
Can we just see?
देख ही लेते हैं. अब आए हैं तो क्या देखें. एक तो लाइब्रेरी देखनी थी एंड जो एक चीज़ के लिए हम ऑक्सफोर्ड आए थे वो बंद है. आई मीन उसकी टिकट सोल्ड आउट हो गई है. शी डिड नॉट मेक एन एक्सेप्शन विच इज़ फाइन. आई कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट हर टू. क्या है ये?
Would you put your phone in?
है
I just heard the passing of the king.
किताबें हैं. वेट ना सबनी. बारिश शुरू हो गई है.
Doesn't this get damaged in the rain?
No.
You know the word important? What's the opposite of it?
Unimportant.
Yes, but the un and the im cross out, right? Because they're important. So that means that the opposite of important is potent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zara is there, Uniqlo is there.
ओह ये मम्मी आ गए हुए. यहाँ का टाउन है where all the outlets, shopping outlets are there. काफी टाइम स्पेंड हो चुका है यहाँ. अब हम लोग खाने जा रहे हैं. But where is the question? Chili chicken gyoza ramen.
Just chicken gyoza ramen. Duck hat. Newer. Here, try this one. Yeah, yes. I got some egg as well. Do you want some egg?
ये बहुत अच्छा.
Just egg. That's normal noodle.
स्पून देखो भाई.
Yeah?
Pork. From Toy Story. Oh, never mind.
Try the sauces, na? Gochujang is good.
अच्छी है. Just poke them in. Yeah. It's kind of spicy and sweet.
Trying the gochujang itsu sauce. This is very spicy.
Can't show it. Wait, Mama, look at this.
Something like a chocolate ganache mochi, and there's one.
Yeah.
बारिश होने लग गई है. then मेरा way back to the station. Now to the train. I needed some hotel and I made space. It's about to rain. It's such a huge cloud. It was just sunny back there. ये कैसा नाम हुआ भाई?
भगवान तुम्हें स्वस्थ एवं प्रसन्न रखे. यही कामना है।
यही काम है।
मामी मामा को प्रणाम।
बेटे आप हमारे पैर कब छुएंगी?
और सचिता को ढेर सारा प्यार। शुभकामनाओं सहित तुम्हारी बड़ी बहन निहिका।
Okay, now translated.
Now translated in Hindi.
तुम्हारा पत्र मिला। Do you understand that?
नहीं पता
I
नहीं
got
पता।
your letter. Patra is letter.
Okay.
So she's writing that I got your letter, and when I read it, I felt very happy.
Heart felt.
My heart grew really, really happy.
Heart felt.
उसके बाद many congratulations on getting such huge success in your exams.
What
I
is
know.
that?
What exam? मैं तुम्हें
बेटे,
एग्जाम देती हूँ।
ये ऐसे ही लेटर है बस। ये मेका दीदी को हिंदी की उल्टी करनी थी, उसके लिए उन्होंने लिखा।
इट इज़ 1:30 AM और इंडिया में सुबह के 6 बज रहे हैं। बट 3 घंटे से आई हैव बीन इन द सेम स्पॉट एडिटिंग। मेरे को झपकियाँ आ रही है, दैट इज़ व्हाई आई जस्ट स्विच्ड ऑन द कैमरा ताकि आई डोंट फॉल asleep.
How do I look?
24. Actually, 21. When I first saw you,
You have a look with the mirror? Yeah. You see, it's just giving you a bit more shape.
It did.
And obviously, if we did have a wax, it would be even more shape. So you would have these bit on, so then it would be like more lifted. Our moisturiser is really nice. It's got niacinamide in there, so it helps to retain that moisture in the skin. And then skin tone, like do you know if it's warm or neutral? Find out, then I'm gonna try it all over again for the right. गाइस मुझसे मना नहीं हो पा रहा है यार, मुझसे मना नहीं हो पा रहा है। मैं नो नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ। मैं सबको बोलती हूँ लर्न टू से, लर्न टू से। ना आई कांटेक्ट कर रही है, मैं उसे मना नहीं कर पा रही।
Which ones do you not like? The first one I think is too light. So have a think about the wax. Honestly, if you want, what I can do is I can try a little bit over your hand. Obviously, where there's no hair, you can see how it kind of feels, and then see how that is, because it's actually not painful at all compared to other normal typical hair removals.
Okay.
I think between those three, this one was the better one.
The
but
better
this
one.
is definitely not my color.
I'm gonna go grab the one that I said originally. I'm gonna go grab that one. I'm gonna show you again.
It's
that
fine
one.
though. I think I don't want to do the foundation. It's
Yellow.
yeah.
छोड़ी हुई है. Just one second.
मैंने बोल भी दिया कि मैं मॉइस्चराइजर ले लूँ, मेरे को फाउंडेशन नहीं चाहिए, पर कह रही नो आई गेट योर शेड, बट मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं। मेरी आईब्रोज पहली बार फिल इन हुई है। डू आई लुक डिफरेंट? मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। किसी भी सेल्स पर्सन को मैं मिल जाऊँ ना, उनके लिए तो चांदी है। मतलब मेरे से मना ही नहीं हो पा रहा था। मेरे को अच्छा भी बनना होता है और मैं फंस जाती हूँ बस। You are right, love. I'm asking British. I am shopping for your giveaway. I feel like this will be useful. I found this speaker and earbud ka combo. And earbuds. Guys, जुराबे चाहिए। गिवअवे में सॉक्स डाल दूँ। Just look at them. But मेरे को क्या पता किसका पैर कितना बड़ा है। I don't know if it's appropriate to put socks in giveaways. Okay, chalo. I've taken so much and all useful things for the giveaway.
Okay, this next song is called Can't Love You in the Dark by Adele. Take your eyes off of me so I can leave. I'm far too ashamed to do it with you watching me. Please stay where you are. Don't come any closer.
नींबू, गार्लिक और मिर्ची।
GM guys, मैं सुबह उठ गई। what did I do? मैं नहा ली हूँ। आई शॉट फॉर अ ब्रांड। मैंने थोड़ी सी एडिटिंग करी है एंड मेरे को जस्ट रियलाइज हुआ है कि समर आई टर्न प्रिटी का 3rd एपिसोड आज ड्रॉप हो गया है, तो अब मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ। बट उससे पहले मैंने एक चीज़ खरीदी है बड़ी यूजफुल। हाय सवनी GM, बिकॉज आई हैव बिन ईटिंग like there is no tomorrow. I got this face roller and body roller also. It's going to like de-bloat your face.
तो मीका 11 बजे तक तूने नाश्ता नहीं किया, लंच कैसे करेगी 2 बजे?
जैसे 11 बजे के बाद नाश्ता।
पहले बैठ के खाना।
This season of summer I turn pretty is let's see who is better at cheating. ये लव का शो तो रहा ही नहीं है, ये चीटिंग का शो बन गया है। लव को रिप्रेजेंट सिर्फ एक इंसान कर रहा है and that is Conrad.
Maybe we shouldn't let one mistake erase all these years.
Bells, I want that so much.
कब प्रपोज करा?
उसने करा तो था प्रपोज, will you marry me ऐसी खड़े खड़े, वो झुका भी नहीं। तुझको ही कहूं मैं, तुझको पुकारूं। I think at some point हम सबको लग रहा है कि हम ये गाना गा सकते हैं और हमें लग रहा है कि हम बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हैं। The thing is कि we are traveling to Scotland today. Right now it's 1:40 and we should leave around 3 o'clock. We are going to Scotland for 5 days, अगर आज का दिन भी मिला ले। We come back जिस नाइट को, उसकी अर्ली मॉर्निंग नेक्स्ट वी लीव टू गो बैक। मेरे को बस एक आध स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी है। डालो बिरयानी। बिरयानी आ गई है।
This is something called salad.
Yeah.
मैं करवा
मैं डोर मैच कर रही हूँ। I'll see you in the Scotland vlog now. What is that like? Bye.
It's like a transition.
Do this. No, camera pe. Yes. Yeah.
there's a
Okay. Bye. Good Nithri.
You know this is on 13%.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? You alright, darling? No. Wow. Oh my God! It's a walk-in closet. Almost gave up.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday, and right now you can save up to £50 per month.